Hi, here is what you will accomplish by watching this video. Experience Cape Canaveral.
Boost ignition and liftoff of the Discovery.
Step 1. Quick Smoke. Open Blender 2.79. Go to Object, Quick Effects, Quick Smoke. Step 2. Play Animation. On Video Sequence Editor, click Play Animation or Alt plus A. Step 3. Better Smoke. Let's get a more sophisticated smoke stop animation. On Properties Viewport, click Physics tab, and under Smoke, configure Resolution Division 60, Temperature Difference -1, mark Smoke Adaptive Domain, and Smoke High Resolution. Test Animation. Now stop the animation. Go to Frame 0 on Video Sequence Editor. Hover the mouse on the main screen, type 5 and then 1 to front ortho view. With domain selected, type S and scale it larger to 10 Blender metrics. Now go to Frame 0, select the cube RMB, type S and scale it smaller to 1 Blender metric. With cube selected, go to Edit Mode, hit Tab, type Double, choose Divided Smooth, and set fractal equal 2. This will shape the cube into an organic form. The smoke emitter is ready. Test animation, then stop animation. Go to Frame 0. Step 4. Shaping Shatter. Scroll down the cube for Blender metrics below the floor. RMB it. Shift plus A to add a cylinder. Extend it 3 Blender metrics and format this to fit the cube. Use keys C as vertices selector, E to extrude, and Z as guidance. Step 5. Prepare to launch. Put 3D cursor at the apex of the cylinder. Shift plus A to add a cone. Format it accordingly to form the rocket. Use numpad 1, 3, and 7 as viewport tool. Step 6. Prepare enemy. Hit Tab to go to Object Mode. Select these 3 elements, cube, cylinder, and cone. Make the Frame 0 on Video Sequence Editor. Type I to insert key. Choose location. Repeat it to 20, 60, 80, and 100 frame, positioning the shutter through the smoke domain blocks. This procedure will mark each stage of the animation. At frame 120, type E to end the frame. Step 7. Camera action. Now let's positioning the camera. Open a camera viewport. On object mode, press LB left mouse button to select the camera. Hit Alt plus G and Alt plus R to drag it to the apex of the smoke domain box. Drag it a bit to the right, type R, rotate it. Here is a reference. Step 8. Rendering video and sound. Now let's rendering the image. To rendering it, go to the Render tab, the one with the camera. Output, set directory to output video, age 0.264, and wait for rendering the video. After clicking on menu F12. There you have it. Step 9. Deal with video. This is optional. Sounding it. Go to Render tab, Output, set .png, and re-rendering 120 image by hitting Ctrl F12. Choose a new directory. Cool. Step 10. Sound and video editing. On the upper window, select Video Editing. Open the folder where your videos and sounds were by clicking Add button. And edit it. Open the sound, download from my Google Driver if you will, and by RMB click, select the stripes and arrange it like this. Hit G twice and position straps anywhere. Thanks for watching it. Leave your comments below. Favorite if you like. This helps me immensely. Till the next episode. Bye.